Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated embroidery machines. Embroidery has become increasingly fashionable and popular in trousers, dresses, and tops. On the contrary, hand embroidery is time-consuming and exhausting and can result in pricked fingers. So whether you have your own home business or just looking for a new hobby, investing in an embroidery machine will leave everyone asking, where did you get that cute embroidered fit? It'll also be easier for you to add graphics and personalization to your clothes. However, machine embroidery isn't as simple as pressing a button. To get perfect outcomes, they still require skill, understanding, and a lot of effort to master. In this video, we have compiled a list of the 7 top-rated embroidery machines available on the market today. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings on the embroidery machines that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first embroidery machine in our list is the Bernette embroidery machine. This computerized embroidery machine will help you to expand your creativity. It has everything you need to decorate or personalize clothing or accessories. For its size, it measures 20 by 27 by 24 inches and weighs 42 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Bernette embroidery machine a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: 200 embroidery designs. It offers over 200 embroidery designs to choose from, so finding the ideal motif is easy. USB flash drive. More appealing embroidery design styles can be uploaded via USB flash drive to make your work more creative and lively. 5-inch color touchscreen. It boasts a 5-inch color touchscreen that makes editing embroidery motifs a breeze. 3 embroidery hoops and hoop detection. This embroidery machine includes 3 embroidery hoops and hoop detection, one for each size of the embroidery. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's quite small for other people's preferences. The second embroidery machine in our list is the EverSewn embroidery machine. The EverSewn embroidery machine is a combination sewing and embroidery machine. You can transform it from a regular sewing machine into a modern embroidery machine in a few easy moves. As for the size, it measures 16.5 by 7.5 by 11 inches and weighs 29.9 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the EverSewn embroidery machine a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: 100 embroidery designs and 120 stitches. With over 100 included embroidery designs and 120 stitches, you'll find the perfect pattern for your project and have the ability to customize it completely. Thread-away feature. It has a thread-away feature that'll cut all jump stitches, leaving you with a clean finished design when you take it out of the hoop. EverSewn Pro app. You can import different embroidery files, change thread colors, and even adapt patterns with the EverSewn Pro app. Built-in Wi-Fi. There's a built-in Wi-Fi so you can keep track of your embroidery work without having to sit in front of your machine. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the manual is not clear on how to import downloaded designs into the machine. The third embroidery machine in our list is the Uten embroidery machine. The Uten embroidery machine offers 200 built-in stitches, including decorative stitching, embroidered stitching, 100 letters, and 8 one-step auto-size buttonhole options. It measures 18.3 by 14.2 by 10.5 inches and weighs 14.97 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Uten embroidery machine a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: variable speed control. You can set the maximum sewing speed or the minimum stitching speed for your comfort level using variable speed control. Large LCD screen and easy navigation keys. The large LCD screen and easy navigation keys provide you with a lot of options when it comes to stitching selection. Basic technology and advanced technology. It includes basic technology that's ideal for beginners and advanced technology that can help experienced users with a variety of activities. Portable and flexible. Its portability and flexibility make embroidery easy and allow embroiderers to expand their creative abilities. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it does include an embroidered footplate. The fourth embroidery machine in our list is the Janome embroidery machine. The Janome embroidery machine allows you to express yourself in any way you can think of. All the best features are here for embroidery, garment sewing, home decor, fabric crafting, and more. For its size, it measures 9 by 19 by 12.5 inches and weighs 23 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Janome embroidery machine a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: LCD full-color touchscreen. The LCD full-color touchscreen makes it easy to traverse 200 built-in stitches and 175 built-in embroidery designs. Top-loading full rotary hook bobbin. It has a top-loading full rotary hook bobbin that makes changing and seeing bobbin threads a breeze. Bobbin winder. You can easily wind bobbins using the bobbin winder with plate and cutting blade. Automatic thread tension. The embroidery machine will easily adjust thread tension automatically for a variety of fabric types and thickness. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't have a dual voltage. The 5th embroidery machine in our list is the Singer embroidery machine. The Singer embroidery machine has 250 built-in stitches, including basic, stretch, decorative, and buttonhole stitches, which allows you to sew a variety of projects such as fashions, home decor, quilts, crafts, and more. It offers 200 designs and 6 alphabet variations, allowing you to be more creative when monogramming. As for the size, it measures 20.25 by 8 by 12.25 inches and weighs 18.6 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Singer embroidery machine a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: large and small embroidery hoop. It comes with both a large and a small embroidery hoop, allowing you to choose from a wider range of designs. Wider needle to tower area. It's easier to manage hoops and projects with a wider needle to tower area. Large LCD touchscreen. It has a large LCD touchscreen that allows you to easily adjust sewing and embroidery settings. USB stick embroidery design transfer. The embroidery machine comes with USB stick embroidery design transfer, which allows you to effortlessly store and save patterns for easy machine transfer. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't include the PSW Deluxe software. However, you can download the PSW intro from Singer My Sewnet after the login. The 6th embroidery machine in our list is the Brother Computerized embroidery machine. The Brother Computerized embroidery machine makes it easy to bring your ideas to life. It's packed with cutting-edge technology and a slew of customizability options to make sewing and embroidery a breeze. For its size, it measures 21.18 by 15.51 by 16.54 inches and weighs 26.2 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Brother Computerized embroidery machine a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: large Sew Smart Color LCD touchscreen display. You can examine embroidered patterns in full color on the large Sew Smart Color LCD touchscreen display and preview your design adjustments on the screen before stitching with this computerized sewing and embroidery machine. USB port. You can choose from 80 fresh and innovative embroidery designs or use the USB port to import your own. Expanded needle-to-arm workspace. The expanded needle-to-arm workspace allows more room for folding quilts and bulkier projects to the right of the needle for easier sewing. Spring Action Zigzag Foot. It has a spring action zigzag foot that's built with a longer foot to enable smoother fabric feeding. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it takes time to figure out how to use it. The 7th embroidery machine in our list is the Brother embroidery machine. The Brother embroidery machine offers excellent value and ease of use, whether you're a professional or a beginner. It has a variety of custom embroidery features that make embroidery easy and enjoyable. As for the size, it measures 16.5 by 7.8 by 12 inches and weighs 14.99 pounds. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Brother embroidery machine a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: integrated memory function. It has an integrated memory function that allows you to import designs from a USB memory stick using the USB port. LCD color touchscreen. The embroidery machine has a large LCD colored touchscreen that allows you to see your patterns in full color before stitching them. Unique embroidery pattern drag and drop feature. With the touch of a finger, you can move and place your embroidered design on the display with the embroidery pattern drag and drop feature. Tutorial videos and an easy needle threading system. It comes with tutorial videos and an easy needle threading system to get you started. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it does take some practice to get used to the machine, but it works just fine. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated embroidery machines, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next embroidery machine roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.